Now, the issue here will be broken down by Ace. He's the one gentleman that will tell us if this is ungentlemanly or not.
There's nothing ungentlemanly about it.
Ace, help us here.
Ndizawuthini namfondini?
Tata man. There is jumped the
Stepping
ball.
over, put his knee on it.
Rob, this
What's
is
wrong
a,
No, no. Nothing wrong. Nothing wrong.
It's not a handball, it's not a knee ball.
No.
Huh? It's